really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.
Hi guys, I'm Rick and today I'm gonna present you Multiversum ICO project. Blockchain might just have been the greatest invention by mankind after the internet. However, every great invention has its own flaws. For instance, a car with diesel engine might take you from one point to another quickly and comfortably, but it also releases a ton of emission into the atmosphere while doing so. With the blockchain, the flaws are the excessive processing power, unacceptable pollution, high transaction cost, and slowness when compared to current technological advancements. The slowness is mainly due to the lack of horizontal scalability. This means that instead of adding more processes to increase computational capacity, we are currently replacing them with the faster versions. The other reason for the slowness is the current blockchain safety mechanism. Another issue with the current blockchain is the lack of homogeneity. There are so many cryptocurrencies out there. All these assets operate and live in their own universe and are unable to communicate with each other. To put a rest to all these problems, Multiversum ICO has proposed its own blockchain, which they proclaim to be the first-gen blockchain technology. Let's take a look offering of Multiversum. Futures. Multiversum has proposed an innovative solution to the major issues with the current blockchain. These futures together make Multiversum different from the current blockchains. They are as following. Speed. The main strength of this technology is speed. This is achieved by running parallel transactions and the ability to split and rejoin the chains. This increases horizontal scalability by adding more processing power to existing ones. Now you might be thinking that if the chain splits won't, that results in a hard fork. Well, the answer in this case is no. When the transaction rate is very high, the chain is split and different transactions are run on each chain parallelly. On the load on the chain decreases. The chains rejoin to form the original chain. This decreases the transaction load on a single chain and increases the speed of transaction. Rollback. Multiversum allows its users to roll back to a previous state to correct undesirable operations. The users will be able to recover at an early state without disrupting the credibility of the whole chain validation. This is done by implementing a set of recovery status. Freezable wallets. The users will be able to freeze their wallets in the case of some suspicious activities. Applications built on this platform will also have this feature. Integration of biometric data as a seed for electronic signature. Multiversum will use the user's biometric data as a source of an asymmetric cryptographic key to guarantee the authenticity of signer's identity. ERC-23 interface. Multiversum will use the ERC-23 protocol to develop its own Versum coins. The ERC-23 standard is interoperable with other chains as it's backward compatible with the ERC-20 standard. It also proposed to integrate native off-chain adapter for proprietary and external ERC-20 and ERC-23 IE. It will allow all inbound and outbound flow of its own coin to other chains and also allows the flow of coins from other chains to its own chain. Proof of integrity. Multiversum proposes proof of integrity to combat the disadvantages of proof of work and proof of stake. The transaction is verified by combining random seed challenge with the hash calculated by an external component of software itself. This procedure requires extremely low power and leaves a minimum carbon footprint. Reciprocal chain confirmation. Multiversum will be able to integrate external chain component and will be able to store the status of other chains, which will in turn provide additional validation and trust. These above features are very much different from the existing blockchain technologies, and hence Multiversum has proclaimed it to be the next generation of blockchain technology. Smart contracts are not yet possible on this platform, however developments are being made to include them. The video is getting in, and I wanna add that the idea behind the Multiversum project is aimed at combating the current flaws in the blockchain. They do have a pretty interesting take on what is needed to move the blockchain forward. The project is very ambitious and if implemented properly, will help the mass adoption of blockchain in today's world. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for watching new videos. Proclaim it to be the next generation of blockchain technology. Smart contracts are not yet possible on this platform, however developments are being made to include them. The video is getting in, and I wanna add that the idea behind the Multiversum project is aimed at combating the current flaws in the blockchain. They do have a pretty interesting take on what is needed to move the blockchain forward. The project is very ambitious and if implemented properly, will help the mass adoption of blockchain in today's world. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for watching new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.